I'm in Phuket Old Town, so I'm going to show you around. It's beautiful, so warm, weather is amazing. It's around 4:30. So it's Sunday, so today the market is on. But yeah, I just want to show you around the Old Town, not just the market. Stay right till the end. I came across this salon, all about nails and massage, and look. We serve Prosecco during manicure. I bet the owner is Eastern, from Europe. That's the prices. So 43 baht is £1. Just to give you an idea. Not bad. This is really nice. The neighbors, hostel and cafe. Looks really glamorous for hostel. All day breakfast. Not very nice. This is super quirky. Look at this. This is a cafe. Let's see. Oh, hello. Yeah. Cute, right? Everything in Old Town is super quirky, like every building. Oh God, nearly broke my leg, but hey. It's so nice. Little cafes. Oh, I like this one. Let me show you this one. Here's the menu. Tea, coffee. Very interesting. That's the name, obviously, of the place. Just so you can Google it. Looks nice. Can you see the Mexican there? Amore. I've been there. Sorry, do you realise there's going to be a light?
No.
Food is nice, but small. I wanted more. I mean, I'm a greedy bastard, but hey. This one is a dessert place. Really done in a quirky way. I mean, everything's quirky here, but I like it. Melt me. I like that. I mean, it could sound a little bit rude, but hey, would you guys trust buying Gucci in Thailand? I don't think so. I mean, I'm sick of Gucci anyway, but yeah, I probably wouldn't. Right, this dessert place is absolutely high, unreal. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Not sure what the hell is going on, but there's a lot going on. So I just thought I'll sit here and yeah, got loads of food as well. I'm just thinking to get involved. What do you reckon? Okay, ignore my marks on the nose, that's from sunglasses down. But yeah, so I just got my food. Just joined a Thai family. And yeah, gonna chill out and eat here. Oh my God, it's a sex bomb. Sure, I don't join it. I think they're getting them to scream to see who's the loudest one. No idea what's happening, but I'm happy I'm eating. We've got a new group now. I'll show you. Oh my God! Check this gangster. Oh I think Old Town is even more beautiful during the night. Like all the lights are on. Yeah, it's just a lot more atmosphere. I mean, it's beautiful. I'm just in love with it, I'm telling you. Absolutely in love with it. You should definitely come if you're visiting Phuket. So, yeah. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you found this video entertaining. And I'm going to show you one last bar. It's called Papa Zula. They do live bands there. So, yeah, you can go have a little dance. My friends love it. I've never been actually. I've just seen their kind of videos and stuff shared on the group, but it looks great. Let me show you. I've got a lot more videos like this where I visited Phuket town a few months ago, where I visited the market. So yeah, if you want to have a look, I'll display the list on there. And oh god, I'm talking shit. Anyway, find it on my channel. My battery's gonna die in a minute, so I'm gonna use it till my battery's dead. Ooh. Oh, that's another bar. Well, I hope I'm not gonna get dealt for copyrights with the music on the background. Anyway, I've still got some, well, I got some extra dessert. It's coconut pancakes with some weird stuff in it. So I'm gonna get home now and have a cup of tea with milk, my Earl Grey with milk. Yeah, I'll see you soon, guys.